Hey everybody, this is a demo for the Bart Musical Circuit's Simple Blend module. This has two channels. Each channel has a left and right input, and then a single output. And by turning these knobs, you are selecting whether more of the left or the right is present on the output, and it blends the two together. For the multi-PWM module, somebody asked me about adding a blend to it. And I thought it would just be easier to design a standalone blend that you could then use with any sort of module that you might want to have that feature on that didn't already have a blend. And I'll pan over to the oscilloscope so you can see what blending looks like, and I'll turn it up just a little bit. So we're going to blend between a square wave that is synchronized to a different oscillator and then the triangle from that oscillator. And yeah, it's a pretty simple module. It's all analog. Low parts count, should be an easy build. Thank you for watching.